Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, your girl, annoying as DiDi. Alright, you guys, so what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my plants down because it rained, and you know, after it rain, the bugs like to come and feast on your plants. So, and I saw some aphids on my lime tree. So yeah, we gotta go deal with that. All right, you guys, so I am done right now. I will finish another time. um Whew, what a day. But we got a lot of stuff done in the garden today. Not only did we get some stuff done in the garden, we also got some new gadgets for the garden, so I'm really excited to put those to use. I also used buttermilk in the garden today and some lentil water. So I also read that buttermilk can be used for as a pesticide also, and it's a really good fertilizer for your garden. So you know how like they use like this little clay spray and the horticultural oil spray. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna experiment, and I'm gonna spray one side of the garden with the horticultural oil, and then I'm gonna use the buttermilk in on the other side of the garden, and we're gonna see which one does best. So I use the buttermilk on that side. Next time I'm going to use the horticultural oil on this side, and we're going to see what it does. I also read that lentil water was really good. It provides the iron, calcium, magnesium, all those good vitamins for your plants. Sorry guys, I'm really, really, really exhausted. I'm ready to go in the house. But we started the trellis for the tomatoes. We put some more paper bags down that I'm going to have to go and seal down. All right, you guys, so I had to come in the house. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed making it. And until next time, baby, it's your girl, Annoying as Didi. Peace, love, and shade butter, baby.